Hello everyone, this printer is Epson EcoTank ET2950 series. I want to show you how to print documents from computer with this printer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your laptop are connected together via Wi-Fi network or with a USB cable. In this case, we connected the printer to a wireless network, and to do this, first of all, so go to the menu, go all the way to the settings. Select on the settings, select OK to the settings, then scroll down to network settings, select OK to network settings, then scroll down to Wi-Fi setup. Connect the printer to a Wi-Fi network from the control panel, put the password, and once you do that, it will show you connection is complete. The next thing to do is you need to go to your laptop settings. To add it to your computer, go to the laptop start, then go to the settings. From the settings, select printers and scanners. Then you need to add a device. You need to look for this printer from the list. Then you select Epson EcoTank ET2950 series. Select on it. It will show you that the printer is idle. Then you select print a test page. Once you print a test page, it will print out a document to confirm that the printer and laptop both are connected together. It will show you Windows printer test page. You have correctly installed your Microsoft IPP class driver on laptop. So this is what you need to do. Now, to print documents from your laptop to this printer, select File Explorer on your laptop. Then go to Documents. Then search the document you want to print out. Double-click the document to open. This is the document I want us to print out, 2-page document. Then you select Ctrl P from the laptop keyboard, or you go on the right side and select printer icon. So printer icon. Then scroll down and make sure you select correct printer. If the printer is not available, then you select more. It will show you printers available or listed or printer drivers in the laptop. Then you select correct one, Epson ET2950 series. Select on it. Then you select pages, all. Select number of copies. Select if you want to print this in color or black. So color is selected. Then select more settings. The size of the paper, select the size as A4. 1 page per sheet. Quality, 300 dpi is selected, maximum is 600. Fit to printable area, or you select default. Print two-sided if you want to print two-sided. So print two-sided, flip long edge, then select print. So we're going to print this document two-sided, long edge. This is the document we printed out. This is how to print document from computer to this printer. Thank you very much indeed.